Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to get to our shared Google Drive and how to upload files to it. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Google Drive here, and so I just had Google Drive. That's all I search. I take the top link here, and then I'm going to go to Google Drive. Now mine's going to come up with my personal Google Drive, which isn't what we're interested in right now. So I'm going to switch over to my work one here. You might have the same thing. So that little icon up here will let you choose which drive you're in. And this is the drive that I use for school. So I've made us a team drive. So here are all my team drives. But depending on which course you're in, so I'm making this video generically, but right now I'm teaching grade 9 with 1DOG, so that'd be my period 1 grade 9 class. SNC 1DOH, that's my period 2, and there's my grade 11 physics class. You won't have all of these. You should only have the one of these that corresponds with which course you're in. Now if we go in there, we're going to see that I've set up individual folders for the different teams. Your team is the group that you're working in. And the first task that I've asked you to do is I've asked you to go in and I've asked you to change your team name to something that you guys decide on as a group. So let's say I want to change this. I can come here and I can go rename. And let's say for some reason I want to be the Firehawks because Firehawks sound awesome. Okay? And then I can just do that. And now I'm the Firehawks. And what I need to make sure then is everybody in my team has agreed to that name and they know that they're the Firehawks. And then they can come and when you submit stuff, you can make sure you put it in this folder. And as long as all of the Firehawks work is in this folder, I'll be able to see it. So now I'm going to explain this in a separate video, but I'm going to come back to our course site here. Here's our course site, and the first assignment that we're going to be working on is asking good questions. So if we go over to that and we look, we can see first of all there's a video that's going to tell us what good scientific questions look like. You're going to watch that video as a group and pay attention. You might even want to take some jot notes depending on how complex the video itself is. This one's pretty straightforward, so you can probably just listen. And then you can see the first task that you're supposed to do here is this question evaluation. Now, you're going to see this website a little bit differently. Let me just do that for you. You're going to see it as the published site. Hold on, I forgot to publish. I'll publish it. And then you're going to see it as the published site, which is going to be a little easier to work with. You won't see all these pages stuff. And then you're going to go question evaluation because that's the first assignment you have to do. And you're going to see it won't let you edit the original file. That way we don't end up with any messed up files. You just make a copy. So then you can go and it's going to guide you through the activity here. What are some of the qualities of a scientific question? You can type in your answers that you get from your video, and then you can look at these questions to determine if you think they're scientific or not. You make a comment and then you improve on them if you can. When you're done all that, so I'm going to go ahead and edit this file. So now I'm editing it. Then when I come back to my drive, this file should be sitting in my original drive. Not the shared one right now, but my original one. And here it is. Okay. And what I'm going to do then is I think I can just hit Control Copy and then come over here. So I'm in the Firehawks. So I'm going to paste it in here. Okay, that didn't work. Hold on, I gotta figure out how to do this. I'm gonna move it to, team drives. And then, let's say you're in this class. And then I'm in the Firehawks. And then I can move it. And now if I go to my Firehawks drive, it's here. What I want you to do with this file is I want you to leave it alone, or I want you to work on it in here and do all your work until it's done. And then once it's done, I want you to get out of it, and then I want you to change the name of it. So where's rename here? And the way you're going to change the names is you're going to change where it says copy of to completed. When you do that, what you're telling me is that you and your group are done working on this document and that you're ready for it to be assessed or evaluated. Okay? So don't put completed on something until you're completely sure you're done with it. Everybody's had an opportunity to contribute and say what they think about how to do that. Then when you hit OK, then I'm going to be able to see this from my side. Then I'm going to be able to come in and mark this and give you feedback on it and work on it that way. So that's how we're going to use the shared drive. That's how you're going to find it. I'm going to go through this with you obviously in class, but this video is going to be there for when you forget how to do these things, and then you'll be able to see it.